Hey grill friends, this is definitely the summer of the kebab for me over here at SipBiteGo, and today I have marinated Traeger smoked barbecue chicken skewers you absolutely have to try for your next barbecue event. You get so much flavor by marinating chicken breast in the pineapple barbecue sauce. I'll show you how to make so simple. Let's get to the pellet grill. All right, let me show you how to make these delicious smoked chicken skewers. Let's start and talk about the skewers. If you're using wooden skewers, give them a good soak in water for at least 30 minutes before you skewer the meat. So we're going for juicy chicken, not burnt firewood, and they'll become too nimble and break off if you don't do this step. Alternatively, you could invest in some nice metal skewers, and you can find my recommendations in the SipBiteGo Amazon store in the description. You'll need about 5 to 10 skewers depending on how you skewer up your meat. For this recipe demonstration, I'm using 3 incredibly large chicken breasts and I'm dicing them into 2-inch chunks. You might need more chicken breasts if you're using those smaller varieties, but whatever size your chicken breast is, you can definitely dice it up into the 2-inch chunks to get the same effect. Use whatever barbecue sauce you'd like, but I am pretty addicted and love this Japanese barbecue sauce, so that's what I'm putting in here, about 3/4 cup. You also want to add a 1/4 cup of crushed pineapple. Straight from the can is fine. We don't have all day here. Just get it in there, juice and all. And then I like to add in some fresh cilantro, about 2 tablespoons. You could add whatever herbs you want here as well, but pineapple, barbecue, and cilantro go really well in my book. Add the diced chicken breast to the bowl and make sure that every single piece gets drenched in the pineapple barbecue marinade. You want to really get in there with your fingers and massage it all in like a little spa treatment. Cover and marinate this chicken concoction in the fridge for at least 30 minutes up to overnight. Now, I would not put them on the skewers yet because you want those skewers wet if you're using wooden. So I would skewer them right before you're going to pop them on the smoker. You also want to prepare some onion, red and yellow pepper, cut them into chunks and separate the onion layers so they're ready to go on the skewers. So to assemble the skewers, you start by alternating pieces of marinated chicken, onion, and pepper chunks. Layer them all in there like you'd picture any kebab. You want to pack them in close, but leave about 2 inches of free space on either end of the skewer so they're easy to handle and to eat. Then it's time to head outside to the grill. You want to preheat your Traeger pellet grill or whatever smoker you are using to a cozy 250 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a perfect temp for achieving low and slow smoked chicken that is tender and juicy. Add the chicken and veggie skewers onto the grill grates directly on them, and after an hour, then you want to give them a flip and keep smoking until the chicken skewers hit an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. For me, this usually takes about 2 hours, but if patience isn't your virtue, you can totally crank up the heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit towards the end to get a golden brown finish a little bit faster. To serve these, I like to keep it simple, serve them over some rice, and once they're perfectly cooked, you should give them a sprinkle of some diced green onion or chives or a little bit more cilantro. Serve them immediately and enjoy your delicious Traeger smoked chicken skewers. You know, I have a free barbecue ebook for you at SipBiteGo.com, and I have a ton more recipes that you can pick up here on the SipBiteGo YouTube channel. So I'm wishing you a yummy feast out of these kebabs, and check out more barbecue recipes to liven up your summer, make it a little bit more gourmet, and not be serving the same freaking meal over and over. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!